Now that you've had some time to work on your answers for B, C, and D, let's just go over your answers together here. So for B, we would describe this, or we would write this. We would say that we have 28 hundredths, which is equal to 2 tenths and 8 hundredths. For C, we have 52 hundredths. So when we describe that and write that out, we have 5 tenths and we have 2 hundredths. And for D, we have 70 hundredths. So we would describe that as 7 tenths, 0 hundredths. So we've now talked about decimals as tenths and hundredths, but there are also decimal thousandths. So we can represent it as 1 over 1,000 as a fraction, or we can write it as 0.001. So we have the tenths place value, hundredths place value, and now we have the thousandths place value, which is the third decimal place from the right. So 1/1000th is 1 part out of 1,000 equal parts. So if we had a pie and we cut our pie into 1,000 pieces, and shaded one of those pieces, it would be 0.001. So what if I wanted 4 thousandths? How would we write that as a decimal? Well, we would write it as 0.004. It's the third number. If we wanted 7 thousandths, it's 0.007 for 7 thousandths. Now let's describe the decimal using tenths, hundredths, and thousands, and then we're going to describe it using only thousands. So for example, for A, we have 0.471. So we have 4 tenths, 7 hundredths, and 1 thousandth. So we would say this then equals 471 thousandths. Now, oh, sorry, I spelled that wrong, thousandths. I want you to do B and C on your whiteboards, and then when you are done those, you may begin your jump math assignment. Your jump math assignment today is in your brand new 6.2 book, pages 1 to 3. When you are done, you're going to check in with myself, and then you may give your extension activity a try before moving on to your next lesson.